Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to place for all things beauty and self-care. Today we're diving deep into the world of nail care. If you've ever wondered how to get beautiful and healthy nails, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything from diet to daily habits, so make sure you stick around until the end. Let's get started. Nutrition for nail health. To get those strong, beautiful nails, you need to start from within. Diet plays a crucial role in nail health. First, let's talk about biotin. This B vitamin helps promote nail growth and strength. Foods like eggs, nuts, seeds, and sweet potatoes are rich in biotin. Don't forget about other vital nutrients like zinc, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Leafy greens, lean meats, and fish are excellent sources. For example, salmon is great because it's packed with protein and omega-3s, which are crucial for nail health. And, of course, drink plenty of water to keep your nails hydrated from within. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon can also contribute to your hydration goals. Nail care routine. Always start with clean nails. Wash your hands regularly, but avoid harsh soaps that can dry out your skin and nails. Opt for a gentle, moisturizing hand wash instead. Gently exfoliate your hands and nails once a week to remove dead skin cells and improve blood circulation. Use a gentle scrub or make your own with sugar and olive oil. This will keep your hands soft and your nails smooth. Moisturizing is key. Use a rich hand cream daily, and don't forget your cuticles. Massaging a nourishing oil like jojoba or vitamin E oil into your cuticles can promote nail growth and keep them healthy. Great tip is to apply hand cream and cuticle oil before bed, and then wear cotton gloves overnight. This allows the product to penetrate deeply into your skin and nails. Proper nail filing and shaping. Always use a fine grit nail file and file in one direction to avoid splitting shape your nails in a way that suits your lifestyle and natural nail growth. Remember to trim your nails regularly to maintain your desired length and prevent breakage. Nail protection. Protect your nails from everyday damage. Wear gloves when doing chores like washing dishes or cleaning. Chemicals and prolonged exposure to water can weaken your nails. And if you're a fan of nail polish, always use a base coat to protect your nails from staining and a top coat to prevent chipping. The base coat also helps the polish adhere better and last longer. Give your nails a break from polish every now and then to let them breathe. Aim for at least 1 week every couple of months to go polish-free. Common nail problems and solutions. Let's address some common nail problems and how to solve them. If you have brittle nails, it might be due to dehydration or overexposure to water. Make sure to moisturize regularly and limit your hands' exposure to water. For yellow nails, consider reducing the use of dark nail polishes and give your nails a break. You can also try soaking your nails in lemon juice for a natural brightening effect. Mix lemon juice with a bit of baking soda for a gentle scrub that can help lift stains. If you notice white spots on your nails, it could be a sign of minor trauma or a zinc deficiency. Ensure you're getting enough zinc in your diet from sources like nuts and seeds. Also, avoid biting or picking at your nails, as this can cause those white spots. If you enjoy DIY treatments, try a weekly nail soak. Mix warm water with a few drops of essential oil and a teaspoon of olive oil. Soak your nails for 10-15 minutes for a nourishing and relaxing treatment. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments below what your favorite nail care tip is or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.